Good morning, everybody. Mike Vacchi, Princetontrader.com, here with your Monday morning pre-market webcast. Okay, daily chart, and you can see we pulled back a little bit on Friday, pulled back a little bit in the overnight. Friday low was 27.93, Globex low 27.92 half. So 92.93 acting as support. It keeps dancing on either side of this 9-day simple moving average at 28.01. The Bears have an opportunity here. The new weekly pivot is sitting up at 28.0383. Let's go to the hourly chart real fast. So here's your weekly pivot. It broke down pretty solidly from it. Made a lower low, slight lower low versus Friday as we discussed. And they've moved it up off of that from there. You've got the daily pivot sitting here at 02 and change. You got the weekly pivot at 03. So 28.02 to 28.03 is going to be important today. The weekly pivot needs to hold for the Bears. They need to create resistance in this area and then make a lower low. If they can do that, then they can start to do the work to make a gradual move down to the daily mid-band at 27.66. Now, all that said, this thing, my concern is that when push comes to shove, it continues to have a bid. Although you have a really nice series of lower highs and lower lows here. But beauty's in the eye of the beholder. You talk to a bear, it's because we're topping out and it's weakening and we're going to do this, that, and the other thing. You talk to a bull that's just flagging, getting ready to pop to new highs and beyond and go see 28.30, 28.43 in the area of the upper band on the daily chart. I don't know which way it's going to play out. We've had a nice little short going since Friday afternoon. We've taken a bunch of profits on that. We still have a runner there from 28.07 half. So we're letting that work. The key for me is who is going to win the battle over 2800 to, say, 2804. Whoever wins that battle is going to, in my opinion, likely win the week. Whoever does not is likely going to be the victim of some directional pricing as we push in towards the end of the month. So let's wait and see what happens. Keep an eye on weekly pivot. Keep an eye on daily pivot. Keep an eye on the round number. And then if we do pop up over the top, keep an eye on the high from Friday up at 28.10 half. Keep an eye on 92.93 below. All right, everybody have a good one. Trade them well. I'll be out with some stuff on social. Until then, I'll talk to you. Follow us over on Twitter, Instagram, and Snapchat at Princeton Trader. Check us out on Facebook and join us for a free trial at www.princetontrader.com. Trade them well.